Assalamu alaikum. There's a surah in Quran called Surah An-Nahl, the bees. Some scholars call this surah the Surah An-Ni'am, the blessings. Because this surah, Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala has mentioned a lot of blessings on His creation in this surah. If you ever wish to recognize what Allah has granted you, read and reflect upon Surah An-Nahl. But why the name is An-Nahl, the bees? Before we answer that question, let me tell you that the first blessings and favors Allah mentioned in this surah is the greatest blessing that Allah has bestowed us with. It's the blessing of revelation. Allah started with that ni'mah, and He ended the surah of how we can thank Him in that ni'mah. He ended the surah with Ud'u ila sabili rabbik, spread da'wah, call people to Islam. So He started with the best ni'mah, revelation, and He ended with how we can thank that ni'mah, which is spread the Islam with wisdom. Subhanallah. That's the greatest ni'mah, because revelation is the food of our souls. Revelation is what make this existing has meaning. Without revelation, we are dead. That's why Allah always describes revelation as a ruh. This is the ruh of the soul. Without it, we are dead. Then why the surah called the bees? Allah described the bees in this surah that He said, وَأَوْحَى رَبُّكَ إِلَى النَّحْلِ. Do you realize the word here? أوحى, the same root of revelation. Allah sent a revelation to the prophets to revive our hearts. And also there is a wahi, there is inspiration for the bees and all the creation in this world to provide you as a human being everything you need in this life. Everything in this earth created for you, to bring you your needs. However, Allah has created us to worship Him. So don't distracted by a lot of blessings and forget the Creator. Don't be like the cattle. They're just here for eating, drinking, bringing children, and then die. That's not the life of a human being. Human being is greater than that. Human being just not look at his body only, but look also at his heart and soul. When Allah mentioned the bees, He said bees has a wahi from Allah to go everywhere, to eat from every trees, and then eventually they brought the honey, pure honey, and Allah described that pure honey as a shifa'un linnas, healing for people. Shifa is the same word Allah described the Quran. The Quran is the healing of our hearts, and the pure honey is the healing of our body. Surah An-Ni'am, the blessings. Don't let the blessings to distract you from the Creator. Don't only focus on your body, comfort of your body, healing of your body, pleasure of your body, and forget your soul. Yes, the pure honey, it just indicates what you need for your body, but there is another cure for your soul, which is the revelation. That's why the surah started with this greatest ni'mah and end with how we should thank this ni'mah, by spread the message of Allah, by take the mission of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, taste the flavor of closeness of Allah, and spread that flavor to the people. Then we have harmony between our body and our soul, then we can thank Allah properly. May Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala make us always thankful to our Lord. Assalamu alaikum.